Viral Sweep Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get online contests wrong. They either run them manually or use clunky software that frustrates participants. Viral Sweep is a platform designed to streamline giveaways, sweepstakes, and contests. And the surprising truth is how much it automates engagement. You won't believe how quickly you can set up a promotion and start collecting leads. Here's how it works. Viral Sweep allows you to create fully customizable campaigns for websites, social media, and email. You can set entry methods, track participants, and verify winners automatically. Integration with tools like Shopify, MailChimp, and WordPress makes it seamless to capture and manage leads. For example, a small business running a product giveaway on Instagram can automatically track entries, generate a random winner, and collect email addresses without lifting a finger. Most people get this wrong. They assume contests are time-consuming, but Viral Sweep simplifies every step. Additional features include fraud detection, analytics, and social sharing incentives to boost reach. You can even create referral-based contests where participants earn extra entries for inviting friends. However, there are considerations. Advanced features and multiple campaigns require paid plans, and understanding compliance rules for different regions is important. Most people assume one-size-fits-all legality. It's essential to check local laws before launching sweepstakes. In conclusion, Viral Sweep is ideal for marketers and businesses looking to grow engagement and collect leads through contests. Its automation, integrations, and analytics make it a powerful tool for running professional, worry-free promotions. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of marketing automation tools.